Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Yoga Darshan Negi Vlogs. Friends, today we'll discuss about how to design a web page. As you know, collection of web page is website, and by designing several web pages and interlinking those web pages, we can design a website. Let's design our first web page. Friends, designing a web page is very simple. You just need to write some tags as you can see on the screen. The beginning and the last tag while designing a web page is HTML. So as you can see, HTML is the starting and the last tag. You can also see the difference between beginning and ending tag. The ending tag start with slash, otherwise beginning and ending tag are same. Then within HTML tag you can write body tag, and within body tag we write the text, sentences, or maybe the paragraph which we want to include in our website. So suppose while designing the first web page we have written just this code which you can see on the screen. So when we execute this web page, then we'll get the output as shown in our screen, having white background and the black text. As you can see a single line written there. The line is, this is my first web page. So as I try to make it simplest so that you understand how to use the command from very beginning. Now let's introduce two more command in the HTML tags. So as here I have included one marquee command and another within body tag I have included BG color, which stand for background color, and text color, that is to give color to the text. So here the BG color or the background color which I have used is yellow, and the text color I have used is red. So you can see the changes done in the code. So when we see the changes done in the code and when we save the program, so and when afterward when we run the program, we can see the output as shown in the screen. Now the background color has changed into yellow color and the text color has changed into red. Now in case we want to increase the size of the text or the sentence, then we have use another command here, that is H1. H1 stand for heading. So you can see how H1 command is used in the starting and in the end of the sentence. So when you run this program, so you can see the text has become larger. Now in case we add more command, we add one more heading and one more sentence, and suppose the sentence name is, my name is Aman Adhikari. So as you add it, so you can see, and when you run the program, then you can see the changes on the screen. So when you write coding in HTML, because the coding or the commands are written in HTML, so when you save it, first write the code in Notepad, and then when you save it, you give the extension as .html. Suppose the program name is first, so when you save it, it should be given as, the command name should be given as first.html, and you can store it directly on the screen, and when you double click it, then you can run it directly. Otherwise you have to open it through web browser and run it. Better option is you straight away store the file on the screen as file name .html, and when you double click on it, so you can run it straight away. So you have seen that how easy is there to create a web page. This is just the beginning. Then as we add more and more commands in it, so that it become more and more attractive and useful. So friends, if you like the information and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Darshan Negi Vlogs and also follow my blog darshannegi.blogspot.com. Thank you.